What's up, everyone? If you want some more cool animation, go check out No Matter Nowhere. It's on Receive.com.
Yeah.
Go do it.
It's got clapping.
What else has it got?
Rocks with faces.
And?
Some people got guns.
Do they sound like pew pew?
Sure.
All right. And you said no cameras?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there aren't.
Pretty sure. You work here.
I work in labor. I'm not even allowed near processing.
This doesn't feel right.
Maybe we should just leave.
No. It's time we stood up for ourselves.
Adam.
Our kind's been beaten, murdered, treated like dogs. Taking this dust is only illegal in the eyes of the same people that call us animals.
Yeah, you're right. Hey, what's with the custom mask? Kind of makes you look like a Grim.
We may not want them to know who we are, but we should make sure they never forget what we looked like.
Yeah.
Now, it's time we got what we deserved.
Please, we're just trying to pass through.
Well, you animals passed through the wrong town.
There's no need for violence.
You're all freaks!
That wasn't necessary. This is the very reason they think they can treat...
Kira! He saved your life. He's a hero.
That was amazing!
Blake, I'm sorry. I told you it was an accident.
Was it? This wasn't the first time humans have died on missions you led. How many more accidents are there going to be?
I don't know. I'm out there fighting for us, and when you fight, people get hurt. What, do you want me to just abandon our cause? Like your parents?
No! I'm not saying that. I don't know.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have brought them up. I just get scared when it feels like you don't believe in me anymore.
I never said that.
Thank you, Blake. It's good to know I've still got you.
Let's move. You continue to be an extraordinary resource to this organization.
Everything I do is for the Faunus.
I'm sending you back to Vale. You're to assume control of the Brotherhood there.
Thank you, High Leader.
Adam, if you continue along this path, you might just find yourself standing beside me at my throne.
High Leader! We received a message from Hazel. The raid on Haven's gonna be more complicated than we thought.
Don't worry. Nothing will stop us now. It's time I got what I deserve.